Have you ever wondered if there's a subtle yet powerful way to influence someone's decision, especially when it comes to matters of the heart? Hey buddies, welcome back to Stoic Minder. Today, we're exploring a nuanced approach to relationships, using reverse psychology part 2 to make her reconsider her decision. Whether you're facing a breakup, uncertainty, or simply seeking to reconnect, mastering reverse psychology can offer a fresh perspective on navigating emotional landscapes. Whether it's a breakup, a separation, or a moment of doubt, understanding how to navigate these situations can be crucial. So let's break it down. What exactly is reverse psychology, and how can you use it effectively to make her reconsider her decision? So, let's break it down. What exactly is reverse psychology, and how can you use it effectively to make her reconsider her decision? Understand the situation. Understanding the situation is crucial when using reverse psychology effectively. First, analyze her decision. Why did she choose to end the relationship or distance herself? Was it due to specific issues, misunderstandings, or a desire for personal growth? Comprehending her reasons can provide valuable insights into her mindset and help you tailor your approach accordingly. Dive deeper into her perspective. Did she feel unappreciated, misunderstood, or unhappy with certain aspects of the relationship? Maybe she needed more space or felt her own needs weren't met. Understanding these underlying factors allows you to address them subtly through your actions and behavior. Next, engage in self-reflection. It's essential to ensure that your intentions are genuine and not manipulative. Ask yourself why you want her to reconsider her decision. Is it because you genuinely believe in the potential of the relationship and want to work on the issues together? Or are you driven by ego or a fear of being alone? Authenticity is key. When your intentions are sincere, your actions will naturally reflect a sense of respect and consideration for her feelings. This approach makes reverse psychology more effective while maintaining your integrity and building trust. Act confident and independent. Confidence and independence are highly attractive qualities that can make her reconsider her decision. Start by showing confidence. Confidence exudes strength and self-assurance, making you more appealing. Demonstrate that you are secure in yourself and your decisions. Walk tall, speak clearly, and maintain a positive demeanor. Confidence is contagious and can make her question if she underestimated you. Equally important is to be independent. Focus on your hobbies, friends, and interests. Pursue activities that you are passionate about and spend quality time with your social circle. This not only keeps you busy, but also shows that you have a fulfilling life outside of the relationship. It communicates that your happiness does not solely depend on her presence, which can be very attractive. By embracing confidence and independence, you project an image of someone who is self-sufficient and content. This can make her realize what she is missing and potentially lead her to regret her decision. Remember, people are often drawn to those who are happy and fulfilled on their own. Agree with her decision. When she makes a decision, accepting it gracefully can be a powerful strategy. Start by accepting her choice instead of arguing or trying to change her mind. Agree with her decision. This unexpected reaction can catch her off guard and make her rethink her choice. It shows maturity and self-assurance, traits that are often attractive. Next, show respect for her decision. Respecting her choice demonstrates that you value her autonomy and feelings. It's important to acknowledge her perspective and let her know that you understand and respect her reasons. This respectful approach can make her feel appreciated and valued, which can create a positive impression of you in her mind. By agreeing with her decision and showing respect, you convey that you are not desperate or needy. Instead, you present yourself as a confident and understanding individual who respects her choices. This can lead her to second-guess her decision, as she may begin to see you in a more positive light and realize what she might be losing. Be positive and happy. Maintaining a positive and happy demeanor can be incredibly attractive and may make her reconsider her decision. Start by staying positive. A positive attitude shows resilience and strength, indicating that you can be happy without her. Smile, engage in uplifting conversations, and keep an optimistic outlook on life. Positivity is infectious and can make others want to be around you. Enjoy life by engaging in activities that bring you joy. Pursue hobbies and interests that make you happy and fulfilled. Whether it's spending time with friends, exploring new places, or taking up a new hobby, show that you have a rich and enjoyable life. Share your joy with mutual friends or on social media. Post pictures of you having fun, trying new things, and being surrounded by people who make you happy. Staying positive and enjoying life, you demonstrate that you are capable of finding happiness on your own. This can make her see you in a new light, potentially leading her to regret her decision. People are naturally drawn to those who exude happiness and contentment, making this approach effective and appealing. Limit contact. Creating some distance can be an effective way to make her reconsider her decision. Start by giving space. Reduce communication to allow her time to miss you and reflect on her choice. This space can help her realize your value and the void left by your absence. It's important to do this subtly and not out of spite, but rather to give both of you time to think. Occasionally be unavailable or busy. Let her see that you have a life that doesn't revolve around her. If she reaches out, don't always be immediately accessible. Politely let her know that you are tied up with other commitments. This unavailability can spark curiosity and make her realize what she's missing. By limiting contact and being less available, you create an opportunity for her to appreciate your presence. This strategy can make her start to miss the times you spent together, potentially leading her to regret her decision. It's about showing that you respect her choice while also valuing your own time and interests. Subtle reminders of good times. Bringing back positive memories can be a gentle way to make her reconsider her decision. Start by mentioning positive memories. Casually bring up good times you shared together in a neutral context. For instance, if a mutual friend talks about a place you both liked, you might mention how much fun you had there. This can trigger nostalgia and remind her of the happy moments you shared. Share updates about your life that subtly remind her of the good times. For example, if you're trying a new activity or visiting a place you both enjoyed, mention it in conversation or on social media. This shows that you're continuing to enjoy life and can evoke memories of when you did these things together. By bringing up positive memories and sharing updates, you can make her recall the joy and connection you had. This gentle reminder can stir feelings of nostalgia and make her rethink her decision. It's about highlighting the good times without appearing desperate or overly focused on the past. Be mysterious. Maintaining an air of mystery can intrigue her and make her reconsider her decision. Start by keeping some aspects of your life private. Don't feel obligated to share every detail about your day-to-day activities. Let her wonder about what you're up to and who you're spending time with. This curiosity can pique her interest and draw her back into wanting to know more about you. Change your routine occasionally. Introduce new activities or make changes in your life that she didn't expect. This could involve trying a new hobby, exploring different interests, or even changing up your social circle. By showing that you are evolving and exploring new things, you present yourself as dynamic and interesting. It also keeps her guessing about what you'll do next, adding an element of excitement and unpredictability. By maintaining some mystery and introducing changes in your life, you create intrigue and make her see you in a new light. Improve yourself. Working on self-improvement can be a powerful way to make her reconsider her decision. Start by focusing on areas of personal growth. This could include physical, emotional, or intellectual aspects of yourself that you want to develop. For physical improvement, consider starting a new fitness routine or taking up a sport that interests you. Showing dedication to your physical health not only improves your appearance, but also demonstrates discipline and commitment. Emotionally, work on becoming more emotionally intelligent and resilient. This could involve practicing mindfulness, seeking therapy to address any unresolved issues, or improving communication skills. Intellectually, challenge yourself by learning new skills, reading more, or pursuing further education. Showing intellectual curiosity and growth can be very attractive. Demonstrate your growth and evolution as a person. Share your progress with her subtly or through mutual friends. This shows that you are committed to becoming the best version of yourself, which can make her see you in a new light and reconsider her decision. Interact with others. Socializing and being friendly with others can positively influence her perception of you. Start by spending time with friends and making new ones. Engaging in social activities shows that you are sociable and have a fulfilling social life outside of your previous relationship. Be friendly and approachable with others. Show genuine interest in conversations and enjoy meeting new people. This demonstrates that you are confident and comfortable in social settings, which can be attractive qualities. However, be mindful not to overdo it to the point of making her feel jealous in a negative way. Maintain a balanced approach where you enjoy social interactions without appearing to flaunt or exaggerate your social life. The goal is to show her that you are valued and appreciated by others, reinforcing your desirability. By interacting with others in a positive and sociable manner, you create opportunities for her to see you in a new light. This can make her reconsider her decision as she observes your social confidence and the positive impact you have on those around you.